To make a DIY face mask, you will need the following materials. 2 pieces of cotton fabric, each measuring 10 inches by 6 inches. 2 pieces of elastic, each measuring 6 inches, alternatively, you can use hair ties or rubber bands. Scissors, sewing machine or needle and thread and pins. Steps to make a DIY face mask. Cut 2 pieces of cotton fabric, each measuring 10 inches by 6 inches. Place the 2 pieces of fabric together, with the right sides facing each other. Pin the long sides and one of the short sides together, leaving one short side open. Using a sewing machine or needle and thread, sew along the pinned edges with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Turn the mask right side out through the open side. Cut 2 pieces of elastic, each measuring 6 inches. Fold the open side of the mask over about 1/2 inch and sew it closed. With the mask facing upwards, fold the top and bottom edges towards the center and pin them in place. Sew the folded edges in place, leaving a small opening at each end to insert the elastic. Thread the elastic through the channels on both sides of the mask, tying the ends securely. Adjust the elastic so that the mask fits snugly over your nose and mouth. Your DIY face mask is now ready to use. Remember to wash it regularly and avoid touching your face while wearing it. Stay safe and protect yourself and others by wearing a face mask when you're out in public spaces.